What's up guys, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Smart Programmer, and I'm back with a new video. And in this video I am going to be showing you that how you can turn your Python projects into Windows executable files. So this process is very simple and fast, and before we move on, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos, and please help me to hit the 1K subscribers. So without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, all you need is a project to start with, and then you can open up your terminal. So before I open my terminal, I want to first show the project. This is the project, and as you can see here, this is a snake game, and I have created this game in last week. So I'll give the link in the description section and go and check that game, and the code is also available there. So now let's turn it off. So inside the terminal, all you have to do is to type in pip install PyInstaller, because PyInstaller is the module which will convert our Python projects into the executable files. So now you just have to press the enter and wait for a few seconds. As you can see here, it is installing. So as you can see, our project, our module is installed successfully, and once it has successfully installed, so now we can go ahead and type in our next command, which is pip in PyInstaller, the module we have already installed, and the name of the file. So this is the name of my file, the main file. We have to give the name. So PyInstaller, and the name of the main file, which is game.py, and then type here a single word, one file. Okay, now the question arises, why we are writing here the one file? So that we have to make sure that it remains one file. If you do not add this annotation, you will have a folder filled with all of the packages and the relevant information of the project. So let's just turn it into a one file and one executable file by adding a simple command. So now all we have to do is to just press the enter button and wait for the executable file. So as you can see here, it is analyzing the project to convert it into an executable file, and we have to wait for a few seconds. Okay guys, you can see here the project is converted successfully after a few seconds, and you can see here the two folders appeared, the build and the dist folder. Inside the dist folder we have an executable file. Let me show you. So what I'm going to do, I'm just moving that file over here. So you can see over here, this is the game.exe file. Okay guys, now let's run this file and let's see what happens. So guys, as you can see here, our game is running successfully, and as you can see, I'm very bad at playing games. But at the end, I will not recommend you this for the production level programs, because lots of computer will see this as a virus, and generally Python is not made for executable files. But it is always nice to have it if you want to run a program quickly. So that's it. And I hope you enjoyed this video, you learned something, and if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and like and share it with your friends. So bye for now, take care, and Allah Hafiz.